Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Spanish with Dummy. So today we're going to learn about I. I is a word in Spanish which means there is or there are. Okay, I. It's very important. So let's see about this verb. So where do I comes from? I comes from the verb haber. Okay, haber means have. We learned it. We use haber in present perfect sentences as have, right? So I is the third person conjugation of haber. Now I means there is and there are, right? So let's use it in a practical situation. If you want to say there is a mountain, we say hay una montaña. There is una montaña. There is a girl, hay una chica. Okay? There are some dogs. Hay unos perros. I means there are. Now see, I means either there is and there are. Both of them, okay? So hay unos perros, some dogs. Is there anyone in house? ¿Hay alguien en casa? Okay? ¿Hay alguien en casa? Alright. Okay, so what about if there is a question that's what is there in your city? Right? So how you would answer it? So I will say there is a park. Hay un parque. Hay un parque. There is a metro station. Hay una estación de metro. Okay? Hay una estación de metro. There are many people. Hay mucha gente. Gente is people. There are many restaurants. Hay muchos restaurantes. Hay muchos restaurantes. There is a big cinema. Hay un gran cine. Hay un gran cine. There are no beaches. No hay playas. Okay? If you want to say negative sentence, then just put no first. After that I, which means there is, and playas. No hay playas. Now we learn another word that's IK. IK means one must. Okay? After the I, if K comes, then the meaning of this whole this two word becomes one must. Alright, so let's make the sentence with this word. If you want to say one must work a lot, then you say hay que trabajar mucho. Hay que trabajar mucho. Okay? Now here the second verb, which is trabajar, we don't conjugate it in Spanish, right? This is a rule. So you will never conjugate the second verb. Okay? And if you want to say one must love, hay que amar. Sometimes one must rest. A veces hay que descansar. One must be honest. Hay que ser honesto. Hay que ser honesto. One must not smoke. No hay que fumar. Okay, again negative sentence. No comes before the first verb. One must not lie. No hay que mentir. No hay que mentir. Now, when do we use this one must thing? We use it when you want to address to everyone. Like one must not smoke. It means you are addressing to everyone, right? So in that situation, you use it, right? All right. Now we have another set of sentence that is what one must do to live a healthy life, right? So let's see what we need to do. One must eat healthy food. Hay que comer comida sana. One must do exercise. Hay que hacer ejercicio. Hay que hacer ejercicio. One must dance a lot. Hay que bailar mucho. Hay que bailar mucho. One must use mobile less. Hay que usar menos móvil. Hay que usar menos móvil. One must go out with siblings, right? To have fun. Hay que salir con hermanos. Hay que salir is to go out. Con hermanos means siblings. One must spend time with God. Hay que pasar tiempo con Dios. Hay que pasar tiempo con Dios. Alright, so that's all about I and IK, which is very important, right? Use it practically, and I hope this was helpful. Like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.